So guys, in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I refat my wig. As you guys can see, baby, this wig is tore up. This needs some loving, so I'm going to go right ahead and show you guys how I go from this to this. If you guys want to see how I got my hair like this, you guys can just continue watching. So I'm going to begin by sectioning off the hair. This makes it way much easier when detangling hair. So I'm going to grab a clip and clip the rest of the hair of the way. And I'm going in with my weave brush. And I'm just going to begin by clearing out the hair. To help with this process, I'm going to grab my spray bottle with just water in it. And I'm just going to wet the hair. And I'm going in with my silicone mix. I absolutely love this, you guys. This helps bring moisture to your hair. The reason for me doing it in sections because this wig is really dry and it really needed moisture. So this is the reason why I am doing it in sections. You want to make sure that you get the silicone mix all over the hair. Now I'm just going to twist the hair to get it out of the way as I do the rest of the hair. Now I'm going to take another piece of section from the hair and I'm going to repeat the step that I did for the bottom half until I have the hair covered in silicone mix. Yo, this wig was so tangled, you guys. I literally was on this hair for about 20 minutes. I advise you guys, when you take off your wig, especially curly hair, you wash it as soon as you take it off. And plait it and put it in a bag or put it wherever you put your wig. Please protect your wigs and detangle them when you take them off your hair, because if you just leave it like that, it's going to turn out like this or worse. And here's another tip. You guys don't have to use as much silicone mix as I did. I just used it for this video because this hair was really dry and it needed it. But you just can put silicone mix all over the hair. You don't have to go in sections like I did. But I personally think this wig needed it, so that's why I did it. So this is the hair covered in silicone mix, and I'm going to be putting the hair in hot water, and I'm going to be leaving it in about 3 hours. But I usually leave it in for a day, but I was in a rush, so I just went ahead and washed out the silicone mix and shampoo and condition it, and this is how it came out. I already have my stocking cap on, so I'm going in with my Ruby Kiss in the color 14. And I'm just going to get a makeup brush. And I'm just going to dab this all over my stocking cap so it could blend in with my natural skin color. So now that I've done that, I'm going to grab my wig. And this is the wig that I'm going to be applying. I went ahead and I one curled it. So I'm just going to take it off the mannequin. So now I'm going in with my alcohol and I'm going to get a pad and I'm going to clean up my forehead. Now I'm just going to grab my wig and apply it on my hair. place the wig on my head, I'm going in with my scalp protector. And I always put this on my hairline where I'm going to apply the glue, because the lace tends to like irritate my skin. So I put this on my hair and it doesn't irritate it at all. So this is why I apply it. I'm just going to wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to apply the glue. I'm going in with my bowl hole glue, and I'm going to apply this on my hair, just a thin layer, and I'm only doing 2 layers to my hair. Then I'm going in with my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to smooth it out. And as you guys can see, it cleared really fast. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to do my second layer and smooth it again out with my rat tail comb. And I absolutely love glue that dries completely clear, like fast. Now this part is dry, I'm going to apply my wig. Then I'm going to have my comb, and I'm just going to be pressing it down. And I'm going to have my blow dryer, and I'm just going to be blow drying this piece of my hair that I've already glued down. I'm just going to do the side of my hair. These pieces that are left up, I'm just going to glue them down. So, get my rat tail comb. Just apply the glue. Now that the glue is applied, I'm going in with my elastic band, and I'm going to tie down my hair. Five minutes have passed. I'm just going to take the band off my hair. I'm going to take some curls out from the front, and I'm just going to take out some baby hairs. And I'm going to hot comb the baby hair down. So now I'm going in with my razor, and I'm going to be cutting my baby hair. I'm not going to cut it too short, and I'm not going to cut it too long. So I don't have a small flat iron, but I do have a small curling iron, so I'm just going to curl my baby hairs. And I'm going to have my Got2b Glue Free Spray. Spray it on my baby hair brush. And I'm going to sweep my baby hairs. I'm going to blow dry my baby hairs. my hair with my curling wand. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I just wand curled it. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Bossy Chica. Page at Made and Slay. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.